Good day, ma'am, sir. My name is Clarissa Apiit, 32 years old, married, and blessed with 3 children. I am a college undergraduate. For my work experience, I work here in the Philippines as a household helper since 2014 to 2016. I serve a couple with 2 children. My main duties are taking care of the kids, cleaning the house, washing the clothes, ironing, and marketing. I also worked as a domestic helper at Riyadh, Saudi Arabia for 2 years since 2016 to 2018. I serve a couple with 4 children ages 18, 15, 9, and 4 years old. I do household chores like cleaning the house, washing the clothes, assisting the kids when they go to school, and even cleaning the cars. Madam, sir, if you will hire me and give me a chance to work for you, I'll promise that I'll be honest, trustworthy, and hardworking person. I will do my duties and responsibilities to serve you and your family. Madam, sir, thank you and have a nice day.